going to do a couple of tunes now. The first one is called The Charms of Whiskey, and it's a pipe reel version of a song from Glenn Morrison from Sronamouch, where a herder is, he's looking down and wishing he wasn't herding. This seems to be a common theme. And he's wishing he was down the hill and being able to go to the inn where this woman dispenses whiskey, and basically saying, whiskey's really good. It's good for hot weather or cold weather. It's good for, well, drink it hot or cold. It's good in the summer or the winter. It's good for fishermen and for drovers and shepherds and herders and farmers. And he basically says, whiskey is quite the thing. So it's a lovely wee song from the Glen, followed by we're playing it as a Strathspey reel, but followed by another tune called Glenn Morrison's Reel, and it's a really old tune. I think it's one of the oldest Strathspeys that was noted down, and it's in a manuscript from 1734, in a Drummond manuscript. So it's a really old tune from Glenn Morrison. So here we go.